Kerala was hit hard on Saturday as heavy overnight rainfall and fierce winds swept across the state, uprooting trees, knocking down electricity poles, damaging crops and homes, and causing major traffic snarls due to severe waterlogging. The sudden onslaught of bad weather marked the official arrival of the southwest monsoon, notably 8 days earlier than usual and the earliest onset since 2009. With the monsoon's sudden arrival, the IMD issued a flurry of alerts across the state. Red alerts indicating extremely heavy rainfall of over 204 millimeters in 24 hours was sounded for Kannur and Kasaragod on Saturday. An orange alert indicating heavy to very heavy rainfall was issued for remaining 12 districts. The forecast for the coming days shows no respite. On Sunday, 5 districts are under red alert and 9 under orange, while on Monday, the situation intensifies further with 11 districts under red alert and only 3 under orange. The India Meteorological Department confirmed on Saturday that the monsoon had made landfall in Kerala a full week ahead of the traditional 1st of June date. According to IMD data, such early arrivals are rare, with the last such instance recorded on the 23rd of May in 2009 and an even earlier occurrence on the 19th of May in 1990. These mark the only instances of such premature onset of rainfall since 1975. Residents across Kerala reported widespread destruction by morning. Roads in major cities and towns, including Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi, Kozhikode, and Thrissur, were waterlogged, causing long traffic delays. In rural areas, the storm's ferocity uprooted trees and snapped power lines, leaving several localities without electricity. Reports also emerged of damaged homes and crops, especially in low-lying and agricultural zones. Kerala's Revenue Minister K Rajan acknowledged the severity of the situation in a televised interview. He pointed out that the strong winds experienced overnight, coupled with the volume of rainfall, clearly indicated monsoonal patterns. He further warned that districts north of Kozhikode, as well as Idukki and Pathanamthitta, were likely to face heavier rainfall in the coming days. Officials have begun cleanup operations in affected areas, including removing fallen trees and restoring damaged power lines. Emergency services and disaster management teams are also on standby in red alert districts. Fishermen have also been warned not to venture into the sea due to high winds and rough conditions. Just a day earlier, the IMD had predicted that the monsoon would arrive in 2 days. However, the overnight downpour caught many by surprise, marking a swift and intense beginning to Kerala's rainy season. While the early monsoon brings much relief to drought-prone areas and the promise of a strong agricultural season, the accompanying extreme weather serves as a stark reminder of the challenges that come with it.